Whether you're decluttering, renovating, or just getting organized, U-Box by U-Haul makes storage simple and portable. Anything you'd put in a traditional storage unit can go in a U-Box container, but we bring it right to your door so storing is easier than ever. Each U-Box container is 8 feet long, 5 feet wide, and 7.5 feet tall, the perfect size for about a room and a half of your belongings. So it's the perfect size for garage overflow, closet cleanouts, or keeping seasonal items out of the way until you need them again. Keep your U-Box containers on your property for as long as you need, or let us store it for you at one of our secure U-Haul storage facilities. No matter where your containers are stored, you can lock the containers with your own personal lock and key, so only you have access to your belongings. Need easy access to your belongings while they're being stored at our facilities? No problem. You can easily access your containers anytime you need them. You can also always reschedule a redelivery of your containers so you can access right from your home. U-Box by U-Haul, the portable storage solution wherever and however you need it.